Finally, got on top of the sleep. This is the life of an FPS Snow. Hope you liked it, and see you at the end. Come on, Sluggy, let's go. You're gonna be late to watch the movie. Sure. Are you coming? I'm sorry, but being a snail means there's being good. You're gonna be slow and stuff, so you're gonna have to wait. See, now we're late. Wait for me. Being a snail is so hard. Oh, hey, Stella. So Sluggy, I have one question. What? Is your refrigerator running? Yeah, why? Then you better go catch it. I keep forgetting to lame jokes. I was bored, so... Oh. Why does this keep happening to me? Why am I being recorded? I wish I could fly. Since you made me late for the movie, I'm gonna have to say you can't. Hey Sluggy, do you mind getting me that ball over there? But I have no arms. That explains. What was that? Nothing. Hey guys, thank you for watching the video, and I do not know what just happened there. I mean, I was bored and I thought, hey, maybe making a video. What are you doing? I like zooming in. Listen, Sunshine, I need you to stop doing that. I like zooming in. Are you kidding? Just stop, alright? No. Fine. I'll get someone else to do it. Okay, so you're rolling? Yeah, alright. So, do not ask what in the tail that would happen here, because I was just... You too? I'm sorry, it's pretty fun. Alright. So, do not ask what in the tail... You know what? It's really bothering me, though. I don't care. So, do not ask what happened, and like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later.